Hello and welcome to the fourth video of dynamic robot trajectory generation based on information from 3D camera training package. In this video we'll be taking a look on exporting trajectories for the robot controller. In the previous video we talked about how to create the trajectories for robot, and in this video we will concentrate on exporting the trajectories from the trajectory generation software. And as we saw in the previous video, after the workflow is planned successfully and simulated, the program for the robot can be generated. We can adjust the parameters for a program in the parameter menu. So we have certain parameters that can be modified for the exporter optimization, but most of the time the default parameters can be used for exporting programs. And here is a short list of the export parameters. We can see that we have, for example, password protection and also all the Cartesian base frames and the blending percentages for joint motion and all the air motion and sub-process motion types. And the robot program will be exported from the export program menu, and we can save it on the computer for later transfer to the robot controller in a supported file type for the robot. And at this point we have exported the trajectories for a robot, and this concludes our training for module dynamic robot trajectory generation based on information from 3D camera. Thank you.